Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to check your SSD health, temperature, and estimated remaining life in Windows 11 without installing any third-party software. First, click Start and open the Settings app. From the left menu, click System, then select Storage. Scroll down and click Advanced Storage Settings. Then choose Disks and Volumes. Now, find your SSD and click Properties. Here you'll see important information about your drive, including the current temperature, estimated remaining life, and available spare if your SSD supports these features. A healthy SSD should show a high remaining life percentage. The temperature should also stay within a normal range, usually below 60 degrees Celsius during everyday use. If your SSD doesn't display health or temperature information, it may not support these smart features in Windows, or your storage controller may not expose them. And that's it. That's how you can quickly check your SSD health and temperature in Windows 11 using the built-in Settings app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials.